So what I've got in front of me is our new range of DIY corded lawnmowers. We've got our easy, universal and advanced models. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to go through some of the features and benefits from each machine to help you select the right lawnmower for your garden. Okay, let's look at the first machine in the range. This is the EasyRotak 32-255. These two machines are part of the Universal range, so the UniversalRotak 34410, the UniversalRotak 37565, and these two final machines are part of the Advanced range. This first one is the AdvancedRotak 40-650, and then we have the AdvancedRotak 47750. So the first machine I've got in front of me here is the EasyRotak 32225. This machine features a 32 centimeter blade. Like all Rotaks, this features our grass combs on the side, and you can see that the wheels are inset from the grass combs. This allows the mower to run up against the wall, for example, pulling the grass material into that cutting bowl. The machine features a 1200 watt motor, a 31 litre grass box, and has 3 different settings for height of cut, from 25 millimeters up to 65 millimeters. Another good feature of the EasyRotak, it is nice and lightweight, coming in at only 10 kilograms, so easy to get in and out of your garden. When you finish mowing the lawn or at the end of season, it's very simple to fold the handles down using these quick release wing nuts. The machine I've got here is the UniversalRotak 34410. This is a 34 centimeter blade machine. It has a 40 litre grass box and it is able to output 1300 watts of power. It has a height adjustment lever on the side here, which is very easy to use, and allows you to have 5 different height settings that go from 25 millimeters up to a maximum cut of 70 millimeters. The mower features the same grass combs as all machines, and in addition has the ability to quickly fold the handles, ready for storage. So next machine up is the UniversalRotak 37565. We've gone now from 34 centimeters up to a 37 centimeter blade for obviously a wider cut. The machine is now a 1400 watt machine featuring the same 40 litre grass box. It has the same grass combs as the previous models and also has the same easy to fold handles. It has the same lever operated height of cut, allowing you to go from that 70 millimeters down to 25 millimeters. One significant difference between the previous UniversalRotak and this UniversalRotak 37 is the addition of the ErgoFlex handles. Now we've designed these obviously to be more comfortable, but they also do help reduce fatigue and potentially can reduce, say, lower back pain if you are mowing for a long period of time. So you see here we have the safety switch in the front. In order to operate the mower, simply press this down first and then press any one of the 4 triggers on the handle. Once you've held one down, then you can return your other arm and start mowing. Now onto the first Advanced Rotak. This is the AdvancedRotak 40-650 with a 40 centimeter blade and a 1700 watt motor. Features a 50 litre now fabric grass box with a full indicator for extra convenience. The AdvancedRotak has 7 different height of cut settings that can be adjusted from 80 millimeters down to 25 millimeters. Changing height is really straightforward. A simple button on the top here and a handle for extra convenience, and a little gauge on the side that shows you which setting you're at. Simply depress the button and either push or pull the mower up to the desired height of cut. The Rotak features, as you can imagine, grass combs on the outside of the machine, and also has a quick height adjustment, telescoping handle, and also the ability to very quickly and easily fold the handles down, as simple as that. And finally, the AdvancedRotak features our ErgoFlex handle, which obviously are more comfortable, helping to reduce fatigue. So this is the final machine in the range. This is the AdvancedRotak 44-750. This is our top of the range machine with a 44 centimeter blade. It is designed for the larger gardens. It has a 50 litre box, fabric with the full indicator like the previous Advanced machine. It also features those 7 height adjustment settings from 80 millimeters down to 25 millimeters. Easy to adjust down to the minimum setting there, one-handed, very easily. It features the same telescopic handle and easy to fold over system, the same ErgoFlex handle as the previous advanced machine. However, as you can see, you have the ability here to remove the cable for either easy storage or easy replacement of the cable in the case of an accident. So now that we've looked at each individual mower, I put them back in a line here. So what we can do is we can have a look at how, as you step up through each different model, up through the performance levels, you get a far better machine with also those added features and benefit that makes your mowing experience far more comfortable. The EasyRotak is obviously a good, cost-effective way of getting a mower. There are some great benefits to it. However, there are some limitations, especially when it comes to height adjustment. As you move to the universal models, that's one of the things you'll notice immediately. With the quick adjustment lever, that makes changing height of cut an absolute breeze. Another benefit with the universal machines, other than obviously the larger cutting diameter, is the easy to fold handle. So when you're finishing your mowing or at the end of the season, you can easily pack that down. One significant difference with the UniversalRotak 37, obviously, is now the addition of those ErgoFlex handles. If we move to the advanced machines, you obviously get far more powerful machines with a much bigger blade and obviously a wider breadth of cuts. A great feature you find with the advanced machines, both advanced machines, is the one button, simple, effortless way of changing the height of cuts. And then finally, another really great feature with both of the advanced machines is going to be the 50-litre grass box, but being fabric means, again, at the end of your application or at the end of the season, it packs down really nice and small, meaning it doesn't take up too much space when you're storing in your shed.
Everything will come home.